Hey everybody, it's me, and check out what I have here. I have an LED desk lamp. So my goal is to get some light on my desk here, because when I'm using the computer I don't see it, but sometimes I'm doing things on my desk and I want to be able to see what's going on. So let's check this thing out here. It is black and there's everything out of the box. There is a little manual in there, but I think I can figure out how a lamp works myself. I have to pick up the garbage as I go because I have a puppy that will eat anything that it finds. Okay, so this is kind of how it is here. Let me open up this stuff here. So this is what it looks like here. And then it kind of connects up. Boy, this is a nice long one there. So I'm gonna be able to put it behind there and then have it shine the light over the monitor, which is my goal. So let's see if I can open this up about the width of this desk. A little bit more. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to connect it up in the back. Hopefully everything won't fall down. There we go. Way too big, I think. Oh no, there's a pole there. Okay, so let me open this up a little bit more. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go just open it up and connect it up better. Okay, so I got it connected up and I just want to show you guys what it's got here. It's got a couple of different buttons here. It's got this button here to change the color temperature, so I could have it be like yellowish. I have it facing out so you guys can see. And then we have the brightness, so we can turn it up really bright, or I can make it dim. And also, boy, that gets pretty dim. And then it's got the power on and off, but let me show you guys what I have here. So it's a flexible, little deal for it. And then I can just kind of go and, oops, my monitor twists, but you get the idea. Let's see if I want to go. So if I want it to be like that or something, I have, there, make that straight, put that on there. So yeah, I've got, you can see I can get it aimed exactly how I want it. Right now it's not perfect, but you get the idea. So how cool is that? So now I have a light up desk, which is what I was going for. Thumbs up.